Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can edit your text before sending it on Discord. So you can make it bold, you can italicize it. Still don't know how to pronounce that word. You can, I think, underline it, or have like a line go through it, and you can even make like the text like a spoiler alert kind of moment, kind of effect. That's what I meant. So here I'm just going to type in a few things. I'm just going to type in hello, welcome back to the server for this week's, whoops, bro, okay, let me just delete that. For this week's giveaway, or let's do episode. This is the spoiler. Just pretend this is the spoiler, okay? So on this like welcome back, just select it, and for instance I want to make it bolder, so I'm just going to select that. And then the server, I'm going to add in, I don't know what this is. Oh, I'm going to add in like this effect. Okay, sorry. And then here's a spoiler alert. So I'm just going to select that, and I'm just going to grab this I button. Then when I press enter, and as you can see, it's like hidden still until you clicked it. So that's pretty much how you can like edit your text before sending it on Discord. Hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you have not done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.